Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can read Instagram message without being seen. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram and click on the messenger icon in the top right, and here you can see that I receive a message. So the simple process is you need to do is to not swipe to the bottom. If you do that, that message will be shown as read, but let me show you the step how the message will not shown as read. So here you can see that I'm going to send message. I am there, so I'm going to show you an example. Okay, then I need to go into my second account. Here you can see that in general, so once I am not to the down of the message, I am unable to shown up, or you can say that the other person is not able to know that I read message or not. But if you read until the end, the other person will be notified that you read the message. So this is a process by which you can read Instagram message without being seen. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.